Dear students, welcome to my channel Maths Help for Students. Today, let us find the values of x and y for the given figures. See, look at this figure. Look at this triangle. Here, you have three angles x 70 degree, y and 120 degree. Here 120 degree is the exterior angle of this triangle. So we know that exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. So x plus 70 degree equal to 120 degree. Now x is equal to 120 degree minus 70 degree, that is 50 degree. So this angle is 50 degree. Now we know sum of all three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So 50 degree plus 70 degree plus y equal to 180 degree. Y will be equal to 70 plus 50, that is 120. Y equal to 180 minus 120 degree. So y is equal to 60 degree. To calculate y, you can use two methods. One is seeing total sum of angles of triangle, three angles of triangle, and other method is see here angle y and 120 degree form a linear pair. So you get, see, if you consider the method of linear pair, you have y plus 120 degree equal to 180 degree. So y equal to 180 minus 120, that is 60 degree. So you can use any method. One is using sum of all three angles is 180 degree, and the other method is considering y and 120 degree as a linear pair. Now let us look at the second problem. See here. Here you have x, y 50 degree and 60 degree. Now x is the exterior angle of the triangle. X is equal to sum of interior opposite angles 50 degree plus 60 degree. So x is equal to 110 degree. Now y, let us use the method of linear pair. So you have x plus y equal to 180 degree. Y we don't know. Y is equal to 180 degree minus x, that is 180 degree minus this is 110 degree. So we have y equal to 70 degree. So this is how you calculate x and y for the given figure. Let us look at one more problem. See here you have only one angle given. See this here 90 degree is not exterior angle because it does not lie along the extended side. If they had given this or this, they are exterior angles, but here 90 degree is not exterior angle. So what method you follow here is, see y and 90 degree. This angles are formed by intersection of these two lines. So y and 90 degree are vertically opposite angles. Now we know that vertically opposite angles are equal. So y is equal to 90 degree. Now you can calculate x, see x plus y, sum of three angles is equal to 180 degree. Now x is nothing but 2x. 2x plus y is 90 degree. 2x plus 90 degree equal to 180 degree. So 2x is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree, that is equal to 90 degree. So x will be equal to 90 degree divided by 2. That implies x equal to 45 degree. So you have the values of x. X is equal to 45 degree, x is equal to 45 degree and y equal to 90 degree. Okay, now let us look at the last problem. Okay, so here you have, they have not given any of the angles. They have just given this angle is x, this angle is x and this angle is x. Now how do you calculate? No angles are given in this figure. So here you see that x and y, they are vertically opposite angles. X and y are vertically opposite angles. So that implies x is equal to y. Now even here you have this angle and this angle. If you mark, they are vertically opposite angles. So x and x. So all three angles are x. Y is also equal to x. We have sum of three angles of a triangle, x plus x plus x. You write here x because x is equal to y. So x plus x equal to 180 degree. 3x equal to 180 degree. X equal to 180 degree divided by 3. Therefore you have x equal to 60 degree. So in this figure all angles are 60 degree. So this is a equilateral triangle. Thank you.